It may not come as a surprise to discover that concrete is widely used. It is in fact the second most used material in the world, with 20 billion tons put to use every year. This begs the question, what exactly is concrete? The word concrete comes from the Latin word concretus, which roughly means to grow together. Concrete is a composite material composed of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with a fluid cement that hardens over time. However, the production of concrete has a huge detrimental effect on the environment. Concrete causes up to 8% of global carbon dioxide emission. In real-life practice, concrete structures can be divided into two basic categories: megastructures and regular structures. For megastructures, the traditional method of concrete by the mixing process although is widely used, but it has major drawbacks on the environment and in terms of economy. Firstly, controlling the heat of hydration and mixing the proportions for concrete can be difficult to maintain, which might lead to the wastage of material. In addition to that, the traditional method of formation cannot be used for producing concrete in high volumes as it is time consuming. An example being the construction of megastructures in which the traditional formation of concrete is not feasible.
It is therefore necessary to look for sustainable solutions for future concrete construction. A sustainable concrete structure is constructed to ensure that the total environmental impact during its life cycle, including its use, will be minimal. Sustainable concrete should have a very low inherent energy requirement, be produced with little waste, be made from some of the most plentiful resources on earth, produce durable structures, have a high thermal mass, and be made with recycled materials. If we rely on existing concrete technology, it will be a burning need for us to look for some alternatives to concrete technology. Cementitious 3D construction printing, 3DCP, or commonly known as 3D concrete, will certainly become competitive for traditional concrete manufacturing process for the world to come. Now the question arises, what is 3DCP and why will we seek this technology as a perfect substitute to take over into sustainable future?
3D concrete printing is a form of additive manufacturing which is used to fabricate buildings or construction components in a completely new shape with the aid of advanced printing technology. With the help of 3D printing technology, constraints like construction duration, labor cost, and human injury can easily be overcome. 3D concrete requires only 2 personnel, which is more feasible than construction with 40 workers. This technology will minimize the waste production by almost 39%, and the construction period is about only 2 to 3 days. This will not only increase the productivity in construction, but also will reduce construction waste, which will possess potential diversity in the structural and architectural elements in the field of civil engineering. However, the introduction of 3D concrete technology would break all limitations in the coming years, making it a proven yet robust alternative methodology of concrete formation. Although the technology is a bit expensive, as it requires one-time massive investment of around 1 lakh, but looking at a greater scale, we can see that this technology would not only become the future of housing, but will also replace the existing concrete manufacturing process.
United Nations estimated that by the year 2050, 66% of total population of the world will reside in urban regions, which will definitely increase the rate of concrete consumption and thus emission of CO2 in excess amount into the environment. Experts claim that 50% of CO2 emission will be reduced by a significant amount if we can switch to 3D concrete technology. The structural materials constructed using 3D concrete are fully insulated and spacious, which are made up of recyclable materials, making this technology of concrete a sustainable breakthrough for future prospect. Looking into broader scope of opportunities of 3D technology, investing only one time into this will definitely mark a significant improvement in the lifestyle of mankind.
Now, for regular structures, let us introduce an innovative concrete composition, and that will be papercrete concrete. This results in a question: of all the raw materials used, why would we choose paper? Currently, 85 million tons of paper waste is being created each year, but we are hardly making efficient use of those. In order to dispose this huge amount of waste, we are using paper as a raw material. What's in the mixture of papercrete concrete? Papercrete is a fibrous cementitious compound with wastewater pulp, gravel, sand along with Portland cement. With this dominating mixture, the addition of glass fiber and waterproofing agents will complement the mixture.
The whole mixture of papercrete concrete can be a complete eco-friendly approach by creating a major focus on waste minimization. This leads to the concept of green environment. Predominantly, the proposed mix reduces the emission of carbon dioxide to a certain limit as well as conserve resource by incorporating wastewater. In addition to this fact, papercrete itself is a light-weighted mixture which prominently can be used in interior walls in high-rise buildings of earthquake-prone areas.
For instance, if we consider two cases with 1:1 paper cement ratio and 1:1:5 paper cement sand ratio, we observe that application of 500 gram paper pulp increases compressive strength by 86%. Consequently, the proportion of carbon dioxide emission decreases proportionately with the decrease in the cement content. This means that 15% decrease in cement content would result in 15% decrease in carbon dioxide emission. Moreover, maximum increase in mechanical strength parameter of concrete can be observed with the addition of 5% of waste paper pulp. Apart from previous scenario, if we add 1% glass fiber with paper cement sand ratio of 1:1:3, compressive strength will increase by around 52%.
All that being said, our primary focus remains on establishing a sustainable method of concrete mixing from the traditional approach of concrete mixing for both regular and megastructures. Hope you find the solutions we have provided innovative and to your liking. Thank you.